A solid cylinder of length h, diameter d, and relative density s floats in neutral equilibrium with its axis vertical. What is the ratio of L to D if S is 0.6? So this is the standard numerical which is repeated many times in ESE. So two important conditions are given in this question. First is the condition of neutral equilibrium and the second one is specific gravity. So applying these both conditions, we will find out what is the ratio of L to D of this solid cylinder. So the correct answer for this question is B. So first condition of neutral equilibrium, metacentric height is 0. Metacentric height can be written as I by V. I is moment of inertia, V is the volume. Moment of inertia can be written as pi d power 4 by 64 and volume can be written as area into height. This Bg is can be written as, let's take an example of a body. In this body, this L is the total height of this body and small h is the height of body which is present or which is submerged under the liquid. Okay, so this Bg is equal to L by 2 minus h by 2. Further simplifying it, we'll get these two important equations. These are very important equation. This is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Substituting this equation 2 in equation 1, we'll get d square by 8 SL is equal to L minus SL. Now substituting all the values, we'll get d square by L square is equal to 8 into 0.6 into 0.4. So it will be d by L is equal to 4 root 3 by 5. So L by D will be nothing but 5 by 4 root 3. And if we solve this 5 by 4 root 3, we'll get the answer as 0.72.